Hello guys! In this video, I will show you how to connect FTMO to MetaTrader 5 with a complete MT5 setup guide. So let's start this video. First, open MetaTrader 5 and go to the top left corner where it says File. Click on File and then select Open an Account. In the search box, type FTMO and click on Find Your Company. From the list, choose FTMO Global Markets Limited and then click Next. You will see three options here, and you need to select Connect with an existing trade account. After this, open your FTMO dashboard in a browser and sign in to your account. Once logged in, click on Accounts Overview and select the account you want to connect to MT5, whether it's a free trial or a live account. Then click on Credentials. Now, copy your login ID and paste it into the login field in MetaTrader 5. Next, copy the master password shown next to it and paste that into the password field. At the bottom, you will also see the server name, such as FTMO Demo. Select the correct server from the list, and once everything is filled in, click on Finish to complete the setup. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.